How to add extensions to Brave browser. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add extension to your Brave browser. So how can you do this? The first thing to do is to ensure that you have the Brave browser application installed on your PC. And then once you have it installed, just go ahead and open it up just like I have done here. And then once you've opened it up, the next thing to do is navigate to your settings option by move it to the top right corner of the screen. So at the top right corner of the screen, you'll see three dashes. When you click on these three dashes, a box will be displayed. In the box displayed, you'll see the options new tab, new window, private window, etc. And then underneath downloads, you'll see the option extensions. All right, just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on extensions, you'll see that you will be brought automatically to the extensions page. Now, if you don't want to go through this route, you can just go to the top right corner of the screen, click on the three dashes, and then click on settings. Okay, so once you click on settings, by this left side of the screen, you'll see a menu displaying some options. Just navigate through and select extension. When you select extensions, you will take it to the extensions page. On the extensions page, click on manage extension, and then you'll be brought back to this screen. Whichever way, just ensure that you're on the extensions page screen. So once you're on this page, you can see the option find extensions and theme in web store. So just click on web store, and then you'll be taken to the Chrome Web Store. In this place, at the top part of the screen, you can see search extension and thing. So the next thing to do is to search for the extensions that you would want to add to Brave browser, or you could just go to the left side of the screen and then click on the extensions tab, where you'll see several kinds of extension that can be added to your browser. All right, so you can just select the one that applies to you, and then once you selected it and the page has loaded, the add to Brave option by the right side of the screen would be available. Just wait for it to load. Yeah, it has loaded, and then just click on add to Brave. Once you click on add to Brave, you will be asked if you're sure that you want to add this extension. Click on add extension, and then the extension will be downloaded and added to your account. So as you can see, it has been downloaded. So you can see the pop-up telling you that the extension has been added to your Brave. Use this extension by clicking on the icon. So this is how you can add an extension to your Brave browser. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.